This is Pawan Kumar D, Assistant Professor of Mathematics, Department of Mathematics, SRR Government Arts and Science College, Karimnagar, Telangana, India. Yeah, last session we discussed the introduction of differential equation, order of and degree of differential equation, formation of differential equation, and solution of differential equations by using the separation of variables. Here in this session we discuss the homogeneous function. What is homogeneous function? Solution of homogeneous differential equation and non-homogeneous differential equations. Here first of all we see the homogeneous differential equation. Here homogeneous differential equation, a first order differential equation m dx plus n dy equal to 0 is said to be homogeneous if it can be put in the form of dy by dx is equal to pi of x comma y by xi of x comma y. Here pi of x comma y and xi of x comma y are homogeneous functions of same degree. That is, suppose we say that the degree is n. Taking x power n common to both the numerator and denominator of the equation, we have dy by dx is equal to x power n pi of y by x divided by x power n pi xi of y by x is equal to f of y by x. A homogeneous differential equation we can write in the form of dy by dx is equal to f of y by x. We have to take y by x is equal to v, therefore y is equal to vx. Differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to v plus uv method we have to apply v plus x dv by dx. From the equation 2 become v plus x dv by dx is equal to f of b can be solved by separation of variables or directly integrate it. We get the solution of the homogeneous differential equation. Solve the differential equation x square minus y square of dx plus 2xy dy equal to 0. Here in this dx, coefficient of dx, coefficient of dy having x square minus y square and 2xy, here both having the same degree, that is degree is 2. This can be written in the form of dy by dx is equal to here this is a homogeneous differential equation. Then we have to take it as let y is equal to vx or v is equal to y by x. Differentiating on both sides with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to v plus x dv by dx. Substitute in equation 1, this equation 1. This equation goes to in the form of v plus x dv by dx equal to v square x square minus x square by 2vx. Here in numerator and denominator x square is a common, we have to cancel it. This v comes to right side, that is goes to minus v. We have to simplify it, LCM 2v, v square minus 1 minus 2v square. Here simplify it, minus v square minus 1 by 2v. Here by using the separation of variables x and v, that is goes to in the form of minus 2v by 1 plus v square dv is equal to 1 by x dx. Here that is goes to 1 by x dx plus 2v by 1 plus v square dv equal to 0. Integrating on both sides, we are getting this result. Here integration of 1 by x dx is log x. This is log of 1 plus v square is equal to log c. That is equal x of 1 plus v square equal to c. V is equal to y by x. Here y by x whole square equal to c. Here simplify it, x square plus y square is equal to xc. Here next application. Here solve the differential equation x square y minus 2xy square of dx is equal to x cube minus 3x square by dy. Here in this each term having the same degree, that is the degree is 3, that is equal dy by dx is equal, this is a homogeneous differential equation of degree 3. This can be written as dy by dx is equal to x square y minus 2xy square divided by x cube minus 3x square y. Here in numerator and denominator we have to keep it as x common. In denominator x square is common, we have to simplify it, we are getting this result. We have to substitute y is equal to vx or v is equal to y by x. Differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to v plus x dv by dx. Substitute in equation 1 v plus x dv by dx, dv by dx is equal to x vx minus 2v square x square by x square minus 3x square v. V plus x dv by dx is equal to x square is a common, we have to simplify it, we are getting this. X dv by dx is equal to v minus 2v square by 1 minus 3v minus v. After simplification we are getting the x dv by dx is equal to v square by 1 minus 3v. One minus 3v, we have to simplify it, x dv by dx is equal to v square by 1 minus 3v. We have to separate variable. Integrating on both sides we are getting this result, that is 3 log x plus 1 by v plus log x is equal to c. By using the logarithmic formula, this can be written as 1 by v log v cube x is equal to c. Yeah, that is simplify, you have to substitute v is equal to y by x, we are getting x by y plus log v cube x is equal to log c. Yeah, x by y is equal to log c minus log v cube x. Here v is equal to y by x, substitute it and simplify it, we are getting the x by y is equal to log cx square by y cube. Yeah, solve the differential equation x dy minus y dx is equal to square root of x square plus y square dx. We are rewriting the differential equation in the form of x dy is equal to square root of x square plus y square dx plus y dx, that is equal to x dy is equal to y plus square root of x square plus y square dx. dy by dx is equal to y plus square root of x square plus y square by x. Let y is equal to vx, v is equal to y by x. Differentiating on both sides, we are getting the dy by dx is equal to v plus x dv by dx. Substitute in 1, v plus x dv by dx is equal to vx plus square root of x square plus y square v square x square by x. v is equal to x dv by dx is equal to vx plus x square root of 1 plus v square by x. After simplification, x dv by dx is equal to square root of 1 plus v square minus v. X dv by dx is equal to square root of 1 plus v square. Separation of variables, 1 by square root of 1 plus v square dv is equal to x dx. Here we know the formula, integration of 1 by square root of 1 plus x square dx is equal to log of modulus of x plus square root of x square plus 1. Substitute in this one, we are getting the log modulus of v plus square root of 1 plus v square is equal to log x plus c. Here log y by x square root of 1 plus v square by x square is equal to log x plus c. Here in the place of v is equal to y by x, log y by x plus square root of 1 plus y square by x is equal to log x plus c. After simplification we are getting the log y plus square root of 1 plus y square by x minus log x is equal to c. Log y plus square root of 1 plus y square by x is equal to log c. Log plus square root of 1 plus y square is equal to x square c. Here this is the homogeneous differential equation.